however, whatever, whenever, wherever, whoever, whichever. However. Example 1. I'm tired. However, I'll try. Example 2. You can do it however you like. Example 3. I like it. However, it's expensive.
However it needs to be, however it works.
However dangerous, however vile.
However big, however small.
However, it is wicked dangerous.
Cool.
However, it is rather expensive.
Whatever. Example 1. Whatever it takes, we'll get through this. Example 2. Take whatever you want. Example 3.
Tea or coffee?
Whatever.
Whatever works. Willie, whatever. Whatever.
Whatever you want, pal. Whatever you want.
Take whatever you want.
Whatever happens, we'll get through it together.
Never. Whatever.
Whenever. Example 1. Whenever I fly, I get really nervous. Example 2. Call me whenever you need help. Example 3.
When do we need to arrive?
Whenever.
Don't worry, just whenever.
Whenever.
Oh, just pick it up whenever.
Whenever? What's whenever?
Wherever. Example 1. You can sit wherever you want. Example 2. I'll follow you wherever you go. Example 3.
Where do you want to eat?
Wherever you want.
We'll follow you wherever you want to go.
Sit wherever you want. Jeff, I want you there.
Wherever.
This is
Whoever. Example 1. Whoever did this is very talented. Example 2. Who is going to stack the shelves?
Whoever is the fastest.
Whoever's on top, whoever's in power, whoever's successful.
We'll find whoever did this to him.
Whoever loses, we win.
Whoever.
Whoever finds us.
And we'll find whoever did this, I promise.
Whoever finds him wins.
Yeah. Whichever. Example 1. Choose whichever option suits you. Example 2. Which movie do you want to watch first?
Whichever.
Whichever's closest.
Whichever comes first.
Oh, whichever.
Whichever you prefer.